I am reading the book La Verdad Practicia como Pedra Angular de la Ética, also known as Practical Truth as the Cornerstone of Ethics, written by Carlos Augusto Casanova Guerra. The philosophical question it addresses is, what is the foundation of moral action and ethical life? In this book, Casanova argues that practical truth, conforming our actions to what is real and genuinely good, is the cornerstone of ethics. The author supports this by showing that ethical reasoning must be grounded in reality, not just subjective opinion. Arguing that truth guides us in choosing the good in concrete situations. Reviving classical philosophy, especially the philosophy of Aristotle and Aquinas, to show that virtue and flourishing depend on aligning with truth. The argument's strength is in its clear defense of classical ethics as universally relevant in today's world. Its weakness lies in the difficulty of applying practical truth to complex modern moral dilemmas where reality is contested. Still, Casanova's argument supports my thesis that a sound ethical life requires grounding moral choices in objective truth rather than relativism and convenience.